In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut out an image in Canva. So I'm going to show you this for Canva Premium and also for the free version if you don't have a Pro subscription. So the first thing we need to do is obviously click on Create in the top navigation and then just go and select a template for our document. Now in the left-hand side, click on Uploads, click on Upload Files, and then just go and upload the image that you want to cut the background out of. So I've got my image here and I'm just going to drag this onto my template. Now, in order to go in and remove the background from this, there's two methods. So if you have Canva Premium, you could just click on BG Remover in the top navigation and you can click on Just Remove Background. And as you can see, that's the first way we can go and remove the background from our image. Now, obviously, if you don't have Canva Premium, you won't be able to do this. So what you need to do instead is open up a new tab on your internet browser and go and search for Background Remover and press Enter. Click on this top website, remove.bg, and click on the blue Upload Image button. Then go and upload your file once again. And just like before, this is also going to remove the background from your image. So once it's finished, we can click on download and then just go and re-download the file to our computer. You can then come back over to Canva and re-upload your image without the background. And that's the second way that you can remove backgrounds from Canva. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.